In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a link to your WhatsApp phone number. Learn how to allow your clients to contact you with just one click. To create a link with your phone number, use this link that appears on screen and replace the word number with your full phone number in international format. Do not include parentheses or dashes. It should look like this. You can also create a link with a predetermined message, which will automatically appear as an option for the customer. That way, your clients will save time when messaging you. Here is how. Replace the word number with your full WhatsApp phone number and then replace message with your predetermined message. Use %20 between the words to include a space. Here is an example of how the message and the link should look like. If you'd like to do the same on your website, use WhatsApp buttons. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more information, you can visit our blog or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.